It's Monday, and our part for today is the head off a little L head. So I like these little flat heads. They are neat looking. We cleaned this one up and painted it. I don't like to put paint where there's going to be gaskets, so we taped that off before we painted it. So on the back side though, or the bottom side I should say, it's in good shape, but this one has not been machined, so it hasn't been flattened out all the way. If you're going to be doing a head, I recommend you get a nice machinist straight edge and a set of feeler gauges. I don't have my feeler gauges with me today, sorry. But go through, check this thing, multiple spots to make sure that it is nice and flat. So that's it, this one's good. Tomorrow, our part's gonna be this fan. This thing is pretty bent up, as you can see. So that's gonna be our part for tomorrow. Thanks for watching.